SOLIDWORKS 2022 has lots of new features for all SOLIDWORKS users. Let's take a look at some of the new capabilities right now. When collaborating with others performing design work focused on facilities, often you need to share your design data using alternate file formats like IFC. SOLIDWORKS 2022 is focused on improving both the efficiency and reliability of saving IFC file formats out for other design tools to leverage. Additionally, 2022 has improved its flexibility when reading in IFC files as well. Now when you open an IFC file, you can choose to filter specific object types to import, avoiding the need to open unnecessary geometry and focus on just the information you need to work with. For example, your task may be only requiring that you see the walls, floor, and furniture within this building model. All this means the imported files both open faster and also don't contain overly complex geometry for the specific design tasks you have to perform when working with IFC data. Also new SOLIDWORKS 2022 is the ability to better support export for DXF and DWG file formats. Components often contain color information that is important for manufacturing processes, such as the color of sketches, bend lines, and other information. Now when using the export DXF DWG from a part file and enabling to include these objects, their colors will be honored to the output of the file. This is extremely valuable for downstream operations where colors can represent different manufacturing processes or parameters for NC tool equipment. So there you have it. And those are just some of the new capabilities waiting for you in SOLIDWORKS 2022. To learn more, contact GSC today.